This is black version of iPhone. Previously I have compared with desert gold version of iPhone 16 Pro Max. So now I'm gonna do a comparison video between iPhone 16 Pro Max black version with iPhone 17 Pro Max, that is blue version, deep blue. So beautiful phone, beautiful body, you can see how they are. So physical comparison before. iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with beautiful 6.9-inch display with 120 Hz refresh rate with 2000 nits. So you have some visibility in sunlight, and at the coating, display doesn't have no coating in this case. On the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the display is the same, that is 6.9-inch, but it has some coating, anti-sun coating. You see the light reflection in iPhone 17 Pro Max is less than iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay, after that, it also has 120 Hz refresh rate. After that, it has 3000 nits, so it will be more visible in brilliant sunlight when you're outside. So body, we can compare. Here we go. Let's see the body of these phones. This phone is little bit more wider than this one, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's see the button. You can see here, put them close, they have similar mute button than power volume rocker, and antenna line in iPhone 17 Pro Max is more wider, in here more slim. At the bottom, nothing. Both are eSIM, the antenna line at the same place. Only iPhone 17 Pro Max is more thick, the antenna line. Bottom of the phone, if we see, both phone has similar USB-C port, but here you can see iPhone 16 Pro Max has less speaker hole compared to iPhone 17 Pro Max. There is 6 holes, 6. This is 6 and 4, total 10. So more sound for iPhone 17 Pro Max. This side of the phones, you can see here the same power button, same size antenna line. Camera key is the same and antenna line at the bottom. Top, we can see some differences between here. No big antenna line, only one slim, but iPhone 17 Pro Max has a big antenna line. If we go backward of the phone in iPhone 16 Pro Max and 17, same aspect. iPhone 16 Pro Max has two 48 megapixel camera and another 12 megapixel telephoto camera. You have a sensor, then you have a flash. On the other hand, iPhone 17 Pro Max has 3 cameras. All of them are 48 megapixel. So main camera, secondary camera, also telephoto. Then you have a flashlight, also sensor. Backside, you see how they are differ. The design changes for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Both of them, they look premium. But iPhone 16 Pro Max has titanium body compared to iPhone 17 Pro Max aluminum body. So body aspect, this is more premium phone, but they look both of them beautiful. You can see side by side here, magnificent both of them. Now let's talk about the chipset. iPhone 16 Pro Max has A18 chipset from Apple, but iPhone 17 Pro Max has the last chipset, that is A19 from Apple. So every year Apple is coming with a new chipset and changing the phone in this case. So this is the flagship of the last year and this is the flagship of this year. Two best phone of the era. This has 12 gigabytes of RAM, this has 8 gigabytes of RAM. Obviously one generation differences between. So let's see boot speed test. 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 16 Pro Max boot little bit faster because it's a brand new phone. So in this case, we can say iPhone 16 Pro Max is a winner compared to the newest version of iPhone. Next time we'll do another version of iPhone. This is 16 Pro Max desert version. Let's see. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.